Hello and welcome back to the Broken Doll. This is part 4, and this is also for the Dolly Den as well on Facebook. So it's together. We're going to let it sit and glue for a good 24 hours, and then we'll be back. I'm not going to make this a long video. It's just a little short because my battery's blinking at me and I got cut off. So sorry about that, everybody, but I want to show him put together. I put one around his neck, and I got 2 going around his head, and I got him looking pretty good where I would like to see him. This bothers me, this little jet, but I can always round that off if I have to with my Dremel, if that's what I got to do. So, but he's together. So now we just have to worry about the hole in his head. So these are just things that we deal with now. So yeah, very nice. He's very nicely put together. Oh, I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. I think he's happy to be put back together too. And then we'll also be putting around his head, we'll be putting a thing of spackling all around the seam as well. So he's not done by no means yet. This is just the gluing part of him. So thank you for joining me. There will be more to come. And for those that are on my YouTube channel, if you're passing by, hit the subscribe button, and you'll be able to see more. And on Dolly Den, this is where I'm going to put this video. I decided just to put it on Dolly Den. So if you're on Dolly Den, you'll be able to see this and keep up with it as well. Thanks again for joining me, and we'll be talking to you again really soon. Subscribe if you want. Hit the thumbs up. Leave a comment. You know what we call comments? Mail in the air, and you don't have to put a stamp on it. Well, thanks again for joining me. We'll be coming again. Like I said, we're coming back again. Every time, every spare minute I got, I'll be coming back. Thanks again. Bye-bye.